Hi everyone, welcome to this video. I'm Avika. I scored 98.4% in 2025 Class 10 boards, and I believe I can guide you really well for your Class 10 board exams. The thing is, I watched everyone's video from teachers to students to top scorers जिनके अच्छे marks आए थे, so they are guiding other students. And mainly I watched the videos of Param Bhaiya who has a channel 10th Asan hai. And this video is majorly inspired from him because his video 500 on 500 was really helpful. So I'm also going to tag him below and give him the credits for it. So let's begin our video then. Basically, 10th has a lot of fear. Like, tumhare relatives, they start comparing your marks, your parents start caring more about you, they suddenly remember that you have to go to coachings, and your most of the time goes into coachings. Now, right now, we are in the month of January. The things that you need to keep in mind right now, ki first of all, work on your distractions. The major distraction that everyone is facing is social media. You are addicted to scrolling reels every damn day. What is the solution? The solution only you can decide it for yourself. The thing is, reels खोलते भी आप हो, phone हाथ में भी आप लेके आते हो, apps also you open it yourself, and your finger does the scrolling on the reels. So you have to control yourself. Set timers or reminders for yourself कि 15 minute में just remind me. Download some apps like Stay Limit, they work well. Overall, do not have distractions. Now, about the thumbnail, before you start asking, oh, do you have a boyfriend or not, that does not matter. The thing that matters is that whether you have one or not, it cannot affect your percentage. Because a relation नहीं है उन दोनों चीज़ में. Let me explain it to you the other way. You have a lot of friends, right? So, do they affect your studying a lot? It depends on what kind of friends you have. Exactly, it does depends on what kind of partner do you have. Now, I do not want to motivate you through this that go get a partner for yourself. No. My first advice would be just stay single and start studying. You need to build a career with yourself, not with another person first. Okay? Secondly, which is even if you have one right now and if you think of parting ways, I would suggest you not to right now because that is going to make you have a great mental toll and you're going to be miserable. So it's better right now, just under any circumstances, make it work out in your boards because I have seen students who were scoring around 90, 95 in their pre boards and they crashed to 85 in their boards because of this thing, the breakup before the boards. It's very deadly, so do not go through all that phase. And even if you are going through that, get good friends and start studying with them. That is the best advice that I can give you. Now, after this, that I want to talk about is ki you have to start taking action, which is basically after watching this video. Stop watching any other videos. This series is going to complete every single fear of yours or any that doubt you have. Everything we are going to clear it out here. And if you need help around or regarding any of the subjects, you can comment below. I always reply to comments and rarely I leave any comments. I am unemployed. I'm sorry. So that is what I'm trying to say overall. What you need to do is by taking action. I mean is ki basically you need to start studying. तो पहले उठाओ. You need to plan out things first. Merely just going on your table and opening a book and start reading a random chapter does not work out anymore. You have to plan out everything that you need to study. The chapters left, the time left, and divide it specifically for it. Your boards are going to be from 17th of February, so leave 7 to 8 days for the preparation of maths. क्योंकि maths में crazy करना है अगर तुम लोग को तो you need to give it some time. Till 10th of Feb, around 20 days are left. Yes, you can do well right now. Now answering the most asked questions, which is ki, can we score 90 now? Can we score 99 now? Can we score 95 now? Yes, but it depends on how much your preparation is. You can score 90 if you have been scoring around 60 to 80 in your pre-boards, then you can, yes, definitely score 90. I have seen students boosting up to there, but the thing is you have to be very consistent and dedicatedly do efforts for your good percentage. Now asking about 95, yes, you can score 95. It depends on the आपके 80 plus आएंगे percentage pre-boards में 75 plus आएंगे, you can score 95. But the major one, which is can we score 99 or 100 percentage? Yes, you can, but it totally depends on how much you scored in your pre-boards. If you are some of those brilliant students who scored above 90, 95 or 85 plus even in your pre-boards, then hell yeah, you can score good in your boards. But the thing is that the difficulty level of your pre-boards also matters. That what kind of paper did you have? You can just take a look at it, compare it with your boards previous year questions se compare karo and just get a rough idea in your mind that in such a paper I scored this, so I have to do itne efforts to score well. That's what you need to understand. Now, one sacrifice also that I would recommend you to do, that I sacrificed a lot of my hobbies. I sketched a lot, I danced a lot, I was into karate. I just gave up everything for my 10th boards. And No, I did not pick any of those hobbies again. I just left it. A sacrifice with board exams, the thing is, it becomes as a motivation in your mind that I have to study well because I need to play this game or start sketching or whatever your hobby was. So uske hisab se just do a sacrifice. It really helps a lot. But if you do not wish to do so, you can. The best sacrifice for this generation would be to sacrifice your social media account, deactivate it for 2 months, and you will be so much desperate to log it again. क्योंकि तुम्हारा पोर्ट से एक बार हो जाएगा, then you must log in, ठीक है? That totally depends on you. Secondly, which is get a friend, a study buddy. If you can find one in your mutual friends, that's great. If you cannot find someone serious about studying, you can comment about it below. Just share your social media handles and just ask if someone is interested to be a study buddy. And please do not spam random things here. Be very decent whenever you're talking to a girl. For all the boys, be very decent, very respectful when you're talking to a girl. If she's sharing her ID, do not use it in any other ways. And to the girls out there, just drop your interest that you want to start studying. तुम्हारा इतना इतना syllabus हो गया and you need such a study partner. And if the decent person replies according to you, then only give your social media handles. That's the reality. I cannot do anything about it. So overall, just find a good friend, start studying, because the thing is, when you have a decent study buddy, you get motivated to start studying. You think that case ka itna ho gaya, so I also need to complete my today's goals because we both need to excel in our boards. Share videos with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and this series is going to be great, I believe. That was it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Say subscribe for the next video and stay tuned.